Calculate your flow rate so you know how many pop-ups to use. The bucket test is an easy way to do this, and we have a video that shows you how. Check your pop-up to see the flow rate required and subtract that amount from your bucket test result. When it comes to planning your pop-up system, we recommend head-to-head watering. See our handy DIY guide for help. Pope's pop-ups come in many different spray patterns, depending on what you're after. Now it's time to dig. Shovel shallow trenches in your lawn and lay your 19mm poly pipe inside it. Then simply hold it in place with soil. Next, install a threaded fitting onto the pipe so you can connect the pop-up. These come in T's and elbows to suit your system design. Do this all along the poly pipe. Screw the pop-ups onto the threaded T's and cover with soil. Stamp down the soil around the pop-up to ensure it doesn't move when filling the trench. Then, cut a hole in the lawn and position it over the pop-up.